The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warwick County in southwestern Indiana, Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Chandler, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, Rockport, Dale, Linville, Grandview, Santa Claus, Topeka, Philsondale, Albertville, Chrisney, Tennyson, and Gentryville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 21 and 22. Interstate 64 in Indiana between mile markers 30 and 60. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties:
Look what happened.
Indiana, Spencer, and Warwick.
Fuck you.